AI technologies have advanced tremendously, allowing users to create breathtaking images from simple text descriptions. These tools are continuously improving, becoming more user-friendly and efficient. While Midjourney has gained popularity as a top choice for AI image generation, it's not the only option available. In fact, there's a fantastic alternative that offers even more features and flexibility for free. Let me introduce you to Imagine Art. Introducing Imagine Art. Imagine Art is a remarkable AI tool that provides a fantastic alternative to Midjourney. It enables you to generate an unlimited number of images completely for free. This video will guide you through the features of Imagine Art, showing you how to get started and how to use this powerful tool to its full potential. Additionally, stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal an innovative way to monetize your creations using Imagine Art. Getting started with Imagine Art. 1. Visit the website. Head over to imagine.art. I've included the link in the description below this video. 2. Access the dashboard. In the upper right corner, click Go to Dashboard. This is where the magic happens and you can begin generating images. 3. Create an account. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to sign up. Choose a convenient method, such as Google or email, to create your account quickly. 4. Write your prompt. In the prompt box, describe the image you want to create using simple words separated by commas. For instance, you might type sunset, beach, palm trees, and then click Generate. Exploring Imagine Art's features. Once you're on the Text-to-Image tab, you'll find the image generation window with a variety of powerful tools and features. Prompt box. Enter your descriptive text to generate an image. If you're new to this, just write words separated by commas that describe the image you want. Aspect ratio. Choose the resolution for your image. Different aspect ratios can help tailor the final output to your needs. Art styles. Select from a wide array of styles such as realistic, Disney, anime, fantasy, and many more. This allows for a lot of creativity and customization in your images. High resolution. Enable this feature to generate images in higher quality, ensuring finer details and better overall clarity. Negative prompt. Specify any elements you do not want to appear in your image. This helps in refining the output to better match your vision. CFG scale. Adjust this scale to determine how closely the generated image matches your written prompt. A higher value means the image will closely adhere to your description, while a lower value allows more creative freedom for the AI. Seed. Use this feature to produce variations of your image. Changing the seed value will generate new versions of your output image based on the same prompt. Generating an image with Imagine Art. Using the techniques discussed in previous videos, I crafted a prompt to create a Disney-style cartoon character. Here's the step-by-step process I followed. 1. Create the prompt. I used the ChatGPT training technique to write a detailed prompt for a cartoon character. 2. Set the aspect ratio. In the aspect ratio tab, I chose the resolution suitable for my image. 3. Select the art style. From the Art Styles tab, I selected Disney to match my desired style. 4. Generate the image. After adjusting the settings, I clicked Generate. In just a few seconds, Imagine Art produced a superb result. By clicking on the image, you can enlarge it to take a closer look. The information about the prompt and settings used for creating the image is displayed alongside it. You can also upscale the image to improve its quality further. Hovering over the image reveals options to download it to your computer or delete it. All images you generate are stored in the Collections tab, accessible from the upper left corner, until you decide to delete them. Creative Upscaler. The Creative Upscaler feature is designed to enhance low-resolution or low-quality images. This is particularly useful for improving older images or optimizing images for high-resolution prints. To use this feature, simply upload an image, add a prompt if needed, and hit the Enhance button. The before and after comparison demonstrates significant improvements in image quality, making this a valuable tool for photographers, digital artists, and anyone in real-time canvas. Another powerful feature is the real-time canvas. This allows you to generate and customize images using drawings, shapes, and prompts. Here's an example image to demonstrate its capabilities. Notice how replacing any object or changing the prompt updates the image in real time. You can draw or erase elements using the brush and eraser tools and add various shapes. This feature is particularly useful for content creators and artists, especially for concept art and detailed scene creation. The ability to manipulate elements in real time allows for a more interactive and creative process, making it easier to achieve the desired results. Monetization strategy: selling tote bags. Research indicates that minimalist designs on tote bags can be highly profitable. Here's how you can create and sell these designs using Imagen Art. 1. Generate a design asset. Use a prompt to create a minimalist design for a tote bag. For example, ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for an aesthetic, super minimalist tote bag design. 2. Create the image. Input the prompt into Imagen Art. Set the aspect ratio to 1. 1. Select an art style like Japanese art. Enable high resolution and increase the step scale. Generate the image. 3. Upload to Printify. Printify is a service that allows you to place your designs on physical products and sell them on platforms like Etsy. Create an account on Printify, upload your design, and preview it on a tote bag. Once satisfied, save and list the product for sale. By repeating this process and creating multiple products, you can start earning money. Monetizing your creations with Imagen Art. Imagen Art allows you to generate unlimited images for free, but to own the rights to these images for commercial use, you need a paid subscription. This subscription costs only $6 per week or $80 per year, offering tremendous value compared to alternatives like Midjourney. Pricing. Remember, to commercially use images generated from Imagen Art, you need a paid subscription. For those needing more credits, several paid plans are available to suit different needs and budgets. Standard plan offers 16K tokens for $8 per week. This plan is ideal for casual users who generate images occasionally. Premium plan provides 100K tokens for $13 per week. This plan is perfect for more frequent users who need a larger volume of credits for their projects. Professional plan includes 40K tokens for $10 per week. This plan strikes a balance between affordability and the number of credits provided. Conclusion: Imagen Art is a powerful and versatile tool that offers a free and superior alternative to other AI image generators. Whether you're looking to create stunning images for personal use or exploring new ways to monetize your creativity, Imagen Art has you covered. Follow the link in the description to start using Imagen Art today. And if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. See you next time.